Welcome back. We start our news bulletin from the United States, where the number of daily new coronavirus cases has dipped under 60,000 after 10 days, with 543 fatalities. The death toll in America has climbed to almost 147,000, with over 4.2 million infected. Brazil has reported 555 more fatalities and over 24,000 new cases, taking the death tally to over 87,000. Over 647,000 people have been killed by the virus worldwide, while nearly 16.2 million have been infected. More in this report.
The second wave of the new coronavirus, after surging in the Americas, Africa and parts of Asia, is now gripping Europe. Healthcare facilities in the US are beyond overwhelmed, with tens of thousands new cases sprouting every day. Mexico and Brazil are no different, with a combined tally of over 30,000 new COVID patients emerging every 24 hours. While Brazil's President Jair Bolsonaro continues to defy the need for any restrictive measures, even tourists believe this approach is a recipe for disaster.
An assessment of the situation should have been done on whether the virus could be controlled or with the vaccine. If you don't have it and people can get infected, then it is a matter of safety.
The recent surge in Spain has sent alarm bells ringing through Europe as other regional countries follow UK's step of reimposing travel restrictions on the country. But Spain has called this an overreaction, saying it will negotiate with UK to exclude the Balearic Islands and the Canary Islands from the restrictions. Morocco too has reported its highest case count after months as the second wave hits the country. Australia's second most populous state of Victoria logged more deaths and a record daily increase of new cases. Premier Daniel Andrews says if people don't get themselves tested in time, the situation can get worse.
It's just a matter of fact we have too many people who have symptoms and they are going to work. And what that means, even with mask wearing, even with hand hygiene, even with distancing, that is an unacceptable risk in terms of transmitting this virus.
China recorded 61 new cases, the highest daily figure since April, due to clusters in 3 separate regions that have sparked fears of a fresh wave. Meanwhile, South Korea's new coronavirus cases have fallen back to below 30 as imported cases dwindled from a record high over the weekend.